said something about Messi. We gave him 150 crores.
No, the private organizer who organized that gave him 150 crores.
So Indians.
Yeah.
What was the point of calling him here? What happened?
Making money.
No, but what was the scene? Like, I think it was a big mess,
Okay,
right?
No. So
the
what happened was he was supposed to come to 4 different cities. This is the second time Messi is going to come here. The first time he came for a match. So I was very, I got involved with it and I held the Delhi event for Messi. So not for Messi, for the Indian guy who organized it, because he got arrested in Calcutta. Okay. And poor guy, it's not his fault at all. It was the politicians and doing that.
Okay.
So 150 crores was paid to him, but it was also the amount of money which was made in revenue or spent or done, whatever that event was. In 3 days, how much money was involved? 1,000 crores.
क्या?
3 million तो अंबानी जी ने दे दिए उसको कि आप मेरे पास डिनर खा के जाओ रात को 2 बजे. मेरे को बताओ कौन से क्रिकेटर को अंबानी जी ने अपने घर पे बुलाया, जामनगर में जेट गया, यहाँ से वहां गए. इमेजिन द पावर ऑफ मेसी, द रिचेस्ट मैन इन इंडिया, or whatever, the most powerful man. He's calling him, even who would never call. He owns cricket.
So $3 million, they paid it to Messi or they paid it to the organizer?
No, Messi. That was nothing to do with him. Directly to Messi. So the organizers' thing was that he will have 2 days. He will take them to 4 cities. Basically, he was like a show monkey, जैसे दिखाने के लिए लेके जा रहे होते हैं. All he was going to do was go into the stadium and just go around and wave like this.
So no match, nothing.
Wave. For 40 minutes, every ticket in the stadium was sold between 7,000 to 15,000 rupees. Sorry, 10,000 to 15,000. कौन सा IPL मैच में 10,000 की टिकट होती है? तो और वहां पे क्या करने दे गए थे? मेसी दूर से मतलब स्टेडियम में you can't even see his face, man.
Of course.
That's it. And 10,000 rupees willing to pay. Happily willing to pay. Indians.
And thousands of people paid.
Thousands, 30,000 people in Delhi, 40,000 in Hyderabad, 30,000 in Mumbai, and another 40,000 in, 60,000 in Calcutta. Now let me come to the other numbers. So we were staying in a hotel in Delhi. Not me, I mean, Messi was staying in the hotel. But because I was there, so they had, in every hotel they went to, there was a ballroom. And in the ballroom, there were 10 tables set up. Each table had 10 people in it. Each table had paid 30 lakh rupees to be there. 10 tables, 3 crores. Messi came in, 10 people in a table. So 3 this side, 3 this, 2 this side, 1 photo, 1 sign on 1 shirt of yours. Out. 30 lakhs gone, table gone. Next. So in 1 hour, he earned 3 crores for the organizer. 3 crores, just this. Okay. Then there were private selfies, all that. So basically he was making around 10 crore rupees just from outside activities. Then from ticket sales, he was making another 5-7 crore, 10 crore rupees. That means from each venue, he was making around 25 to 30 crores easily. And in Calcutta, he was supposed to make even 100. But if you're making 30 crores here, 30 crores here, 30 crores here, and another 50, and then you're making from sponsors. So he had 8 sponsors. Each sponsor was giving him around 2 crore rupees. So वहां पे sponsor हो रहा है. So the amount of money now this is the money which was there. Now the money which was spent by the public, because when you go to the stadium, you pay money in petrol, you pay money in eating खाना वहां पे जाके सारा कुछ. So the amount of money which has gone out of Indian pockets is more than 500 crores by the public, and then 150 obviously which we paid to him. So Indians have the capacity to spend 650 crores in 3 days to see a foreigner. Imagine if you get an Indian Messi.
This math is inflated. 650 नहीं होगा. It would be much less.
मेरे को बताओ ना, table up.
It'll be much less. But let's say hundreds of crores.
60,000, 30,000 people. And you have tickets at 10,000 rupees.
Every ticket won't be 10,000
rupees.
The
least ticket was 7,000. And the max, why I'm saying 10,000, because there were tickets which were 30,000 as well. And there were corporate boxes which were like 1 lakh rupees as well. So मैं तो बहुत कम estimate लगा के 10,000 लगाए. आप 10,000 के हिसाब से लगा लो.
But okay, let's say
चलो यार.
हाँ ठीक है. Like hundreds of crores.
Forget that. What is the budget of AIFF? बात तो 500 करोड़ की बातें छोड़ दो यार. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ 500 नहीं, जो 300 था. मैं 300 छोड़ दे. मैं 150 की बात कर रहा हूँ जो हमने मेसी को दिया है. AIFF का बजट क्या है? 50 करोड़
साल का.
हाँ. तो why do you think? So see, अब तू हंस रहा है, मैं भी हंसता हूँ कई बारी, फिर देन आई थिंक ओ माय गॉड मैं तो खुद पे हंस रहा हूँ कि तो मेरे साथ हो रहा है लाइफ में, मेरी लाइफ में हो रहा है ये.
But 150 crores, you're giving it to guy to wave. And were the fans told that all he's going to do is wave?
Yeah, they knew about it. So they
No,
were
like
very, so in Calcutta they rioted because they didn't let him see, because there were all these politicians around Messi, so they couldn't even see Messi's wave, and that is why the big problem was.
No, but
And
wasn't he supposed to play?
No. So no. How you think before the World Cup Messi will play? What if somebody from India
Injury,
tackles him?
yeah.
के साला से Messi मैं दिखाता हूँ इसको, tackle कर दिया तो गया वो. So he was never going to take the chance. Everyone knew about it. For example, in Delhi, when they gave it to me and the guy was arrested, I said, listen, I will take it, but you have to make sure this is for free, okay? Because ये तो मैं 10 लाख तो देने नहीं वाला, फ्री में मिल रहा तो मैं मिलूंगा जरूर, why not? But I will take it, but no politicians are allowed on the field, and there will only be kids. If the politicians have kids, उनको भेज दो. I will have the kids there, but no politicians will be allowed, or bureaucrats or officers or whatever. So only the last 10 minutes we had Jai Shah and everybody there in the stage. The entire event was kids playing with Messi. Then my team, which went to the MIC Cup and beat an Argent, so they had basically called me. Messi had specially said, get Minerva, the team which beat the Argentinian team, because their best team was beaten by us in the World Youth Cup in Sweden. And when we went there to the thing, so he handed us over the trophy again as a thing, because we beat an Argentinian team. So that is the reason we had gone there. Now, because of that, people loved it that they were just kids playing. And it was Messi. And they were okay with it. But look at the capacity. तो अगर ये वेव के लिए इतना है, वेव, तो मैच के लिए कितना देने के लिए तैयार है?
1,000 crore. Easy.
Okay, now forget that. तो हमारे लिए क्यों नहीं? Because तुम अमूल आज इतने फुल पेपर की एड निकाल रही है, we are the proud sponsors of Holland and this and that. Why भाई? Why are you the proud sponsors of us?
Because पैसे नहीं मिलते ना आप लोगों से, बनते नहीं है ना, देखने वाले लोग नहीं है.
But that is everybody. वही जो इंडिया कर रहा है अपने एथलीट्स के साथ, गवर्नमेंट एंड ऑल दैट, रिजर्वेशन, उल्टी रिजर्वेशन कॉर्पोरेट्स कर रहे हैं. हमारे पास इतना पैसा है कि we can support the best athletes in the world. We sponsor them, man.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you'd like to watch more informational and educational clips, please subscribe to Rajramani Clips channel and share this video with someone who you think would like to learn more.